Hello and welcome to all the students. Today we will do our chapter number 11 and the name of the chapter is pronoun. Now what is the meaning of the word pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Pronoun are the words which are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. किस लिए करते हैं? To avoid the repetition. So that the same word same names we are not going to repeat again and again. Look at the following paragraph in which the pronouns are highlighted. Shilpa, Rupak and Shreya are very happy and excited as their grandma is telling them an interesting story. So instead of repeating the names of the children, the word them is used. She loves her grandsons and granddaughters very much, and instead of grandma again she is used. This is her daily routine to tell stories. The stories she narrates are really very interesting. Again, she is used for grandmother. The kids enjoy listening to her stories every night. Now have a look at the definition part. Pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns to avoid repetition. मीन्स वो वर्ड्स जो हम अगेन एंड अगेन सेम वर्ड को रिपीट करने के लिए टू अवॉइड दैट वर्ड हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन्स. फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन देखो क्या होता है. आई, अंकित एंड आई आर प्लेड, सो आई इज़ अ फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन. यू, second person pronoun. He, she, it, third person pronoun. In the first sentence, pronoun we is used for Ankit and the speaker. देखो, have a look at the examples. Ankit and I are playing. So in this sentence, we are playing. Instead of using the names, we are using we. In the second sentence, pronouns he is used for Vicky. देखो, have a look at the picture. Vicky is standing, he is standing. So instead of saying Vicky again, we are using he. And in the third sentence, now have a look at the third sentence first of all. Yash, Rahul and Sarita are going, means three children are going, so we cannot use he, she. So here it is a case of plural, so we are using they are going. They is used for Yash, Rahul and Sarita in the sentence. Now move to the next page. Vikas is a schoolboy. Vikas has lost his pen. Vikas purchased the pen for ₹10. To avoid repetition of noun, we need to write the sentence in this way. Vikas is a schoolboy. He has lost his pen. So instead of Vikas, we are using he as a pronoun. He purchased it for ₹10. तो ये ज़्यादा बेटर साउंड करना है इंस्टेड ऑफ रिपीटिंग द नेम अगेन एंड अगेन. Here you can see he is used for Vikas and it is used for the pen. For non-living things we use it. Animals and non-living both the things. I, we, they, you, he, she, it are pronouns. We call them personal pronouns. So all these are known as personal pronouns. Now next is possessive pronouns. The word itself possessive stands for possession. Possessive pronouns indicate possession, ownership or relationship of a thing, person to another thing or person. Means जिससे हमें possession शो होगा, ownership शो होगी या relationship शो होगी, that is known as possessive pronoun. For example, yours, mine, his, ours, theirs, hers. You can see that Jonathan is reading a book, so he is the owner of the book, and you can say that the book belongs to him. So here in this sentence, him is a possessive pronoun because it is showing the belongingness, that the book belongs to him. Jonathan is reading a book. This book is his. So here his is a possessive pronoun. Now move to the next page. A table is given on the next page to help you understand the possessive pronouns better. देखो सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल केसेस दिए हुए हैं. एट द सेम टाइम person or possessive pronouns are given. For first person we use mine. For second person we use yours. Third person hers, his or it. And with the plural we use first person ours. Second person in plural we use yours. And for third person we use theirs. Gender of pronouns. Just like nouns, pronouns also have different genders. First person and second person pronouns I, me, mine, you, yours, we, us, ours. Both are for males and females. Means common gender के लिए हम use करते हैं. These words are used as common gender both for males and females. Third person singular forms he, him, his. And we use he, him and his for males only, masculine gender के लिए, not for females. She, her, hers we use for females, means feminine gender के लिए. It for non-living things and animals, means it should be used with non-living things and animals. Third person plural form. देखो थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल फॉर्म्स कौन कौन से होते हैं. दे, देम, देयर्स. फॉर मेल्स, फीमेल्स, एनिमल्स एज वेल एज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. मीन्स इन दिस केस वी यूज these words for males, females and animals, and along with that non-living things. So I think pronoun is clear to all of you. Bye bye students.